So I'm back with this playlist again. Hello everyone. Good morning. Sort of a vlog today, not a weekly vlog, just a daily vlog, because I bought something. If you follow me on Instagram, you might know what I'm talking about, because these and this one now have power. I was looking in the internet for quite some time for a power amp for the NS10s I have from a very dear friend of mine. And so last week I found that someone sold an Alesis RA150 amplifier for pretty cheap. And I thought, okay, I'm gonna buy this. And so we have something new in the rack, which is this lovely thing. This is just a 2-channel amplifier, like hi-fi something. It's just 150 watt, which is totally fine because they don't need that much, and they're actually quite low on level to match the KRK. So I'm totally fine with a 150 watt amplifier, and I just hooked them up with some spare cables I left. This is not the final cabling. This is just hi-fi cable. One is too short because I cut it the wrong way, and whatever. I'm gonna buy some proper cables soon, I guess. Well, when I go shopping next time at Thomann or something, I'm gonna buy these cables as well. So, but they're hooked up yet. I don't think it changes much the sound of the NS10s because they sound so special. It's untrue. And so I gave them a quick listen. And yes, they're horrible, but they're great in the mid frequencies. So I'm pretty happy to have now 3 different ways of listening to music. I have my beloved KRKs. I have my Biodynamic DT770 headphones, and now I have the NS10s and my MacBook and my iPhone and my car if need be. But so now I can check back on things way better than I used to. Oh, that's just a different way. And I'm happy to have speakers running, which everybody knows. Like if a professional audio engineer is coming in and wants to know the room, just use the NS10 and go for it. They're not pretty, but they're good and they're working, and it's all fine. So yeah, they're hooked up now. I'm gonna make myself a coffee now and listen to a whole lot of music. If you're German speaking, I've made a video about this playlist. I'm gonna put the video now in this corner wherever I'm losing track where left and right is in videos. So yeah, and spent some days. I had a week off for several reasons. Basically, my mom was visiting, so so I had some time to think again, and I again and again made my mind up regarding acoustics in here and over there, and so I did again some research, some calculation, and blah whatnot. And I'm not quite sure yet on where to put the next bass traps, because I found out there's a huge problem in this angle on the long side, but also regarding this way. So first I thought I'd make a second version of this lovely fella over here, just to get some symmetry in the room. But actually now I'm thinking it might be better to put them there on top where they belong. So there's the 3 stack there. And then I found out that I have a triangular wave mode in here, which starts from the very bottom back there. So now I'm thinking maybe I start putting up 2 bass traps over there. I don't know yet, and I don't know when I'm gonna buy them. Anyway, so just making my mind up on all these things, and it's quite funny to do, and I enjoy thinking about all this stuff. And I think it's a huge part on that job too, thinking about stuff. Sometimes my mom just asks me when I'm at my mom's place or wherever, or she visits us, and she asks, well, what are you actually doing now? Because you're not in the studio, you're not actually working with music. And I'm like, yeah, I'm thinking about stuff. I also thought about miking a drum set because I came around a picture with a stereo ribbon hanging over the drum kit. I don't want to go into detail that much because I haven't tried it yet, and I'm not done with thinking about it. So yeah, this, for me personally, this is a huge part of this job as well. Thinking about stuff, listening to music as well, and making my mind up where to go and how to improve stuff and so on and so forth. I hope you know what I mean. Yeah, so now my NS10s are hooked up. I'm gonna make myself a coffee, listen to a whole bunch of music again, change some mixes as well. I have a meeting later with a lovely artist. That's awesome. Shout out to Kredi. Put a link in Instagram below. It's great German hip hop. One of the first proper productions actually I did in hip hop. I mixed it, Till mastered it. It's a really nice guy. It's a really, really nice song. I really like the beat and I love his flow. So he's awesome. Go check him out. And yeah, that's basically it for today. I'm gonna work now and see what's coming up. So thanks very, very much for watching. If you have any specific questions, just or random questions, whatever, leave a comment down below. If you like to see something special, and if you like my talky blah 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 vloggy videos, just hit that subscribe button. Thanks very, very much for watching. See you soon. Bye bye.